नमस्ते बेटिया, सदा खुश रहो बेटिया। myself Dr. Balraj Singh, Department of Development, Faculty of Graduate, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's Institute, Jaipur, Rajasthan. So, bachon, today we will discuss about Babuchi and Kachnar. These are the important topics of Devaguna. First of all, we discuss about Bapuchi. The botanical name of Bapuchi is Soraili or Aerophilia. This is an important, so we should learn the botanical and family also. Family is Fabaceaceae beetle. So Soralia, Aerophilia, and Fabaceae family. We should both name learn. Hindi name Bakuchi, Bauchi, Bapchi, total notes. Hindi names like Bakuchi, Bauchi, Bapchi, and now we let's see the synonyms and its meaning of Bakuchi. First, Avalguch, useful in skin disorders, so it is called Avalguch. Bakuchi, useful in skin disorders, so it is called Avalguch. Bakuchi, a reputed drug or that which specifies water. So it is called Bakuchi. And Somraji Shashileka, the seeds have white streaks inside. The seeds have white streaks inside, so it is called Somraji or Shashileka. Suparnika, leaves having pleasing appearance, so it is called Suparnika. Leaves having pleasing appearance, so it is called Suparnika. Krishnaphala, the fruits are black in color, so it is called Krishnaphala. Som, it has cooling property, so it is called Som. Puthifali, fruits emits unpleasant small smell, so it is called Puthifali. Kalmeshi, fruits are black in color, so it is called Kalmeshi. Kustagni, Malayu, useful for skin diseases, particularly in Switra, so it is called Kustagni or Malayu. Main features: a small plant having leaves which are having pleasing look, so seeds are black in color, having unpleasant smell. The seeds having white streaks within. It is specifies drug for Switra and habit throughout the India. Habitat Pakistan throughout the India. Habit Swarup and erect annual 1 to 3 feet high branches, filled gland dotted, leaves simple 1 to 3 in long, roundish, ribbon tooth, film, glabrous and both sides with conspicuous black glandular dots, flowers 10 to 30 in dense, long pedunculated head, calyx 1.5 inches deep, lanceolate the longest, corolla little exerted, white or yellow with purple tipped keel, pod small subglobulus, black glabrous. उपयुक्त अंग और पार्ट यूज बीज एंड बी स्टाइलर. Bees and bee style. Then the properties of Bakuchi first is Rash thick and Katu, Veer is sheath, and Gun is Ruksh, and Vipag is Katu. Dosh Kamta, Kafwa, Shamak, pharmacological reactions of Bakuchi is Rasaini, it is act as Rasayan, and Vistambhar, it is Vistambhar, Ruchya, Kafagna, Raktpithar, Hridaya, Swasagna, Kushtagna, Pramehagna, Jwaragna, Kamigna, the fal is Pittakar, Kushtagna, and Keshya, Twachya, Karmigna, and Swaspasnut, Shothagna, and Pandu Rogagna. Pandu Rogagna. Roghar. Amit Prayog therapeutic uses in Kust, Twak, in Kust, uh, Torak, Ballatak, Bapuchi, Chitrak, Mool and Shilajatu should be used according to the method of Rasayan. To relieve Kust, Bapuchi should be taken with uh, Ushnodak and the patient is exposed to sunlight. Kept on milk diet. In all type of Kust, Bapuchi bees 10 grams with hot water should be administered and patient is kept on Sheer and Ghrithpathya. In skin diseases and Switra Bakuchi bee churn is given with Vivitiki bark and Kakodumbar quat. In Switra, to maintain the normal color of the skin, 160 gram of Bakuchi seeds given with 40 gram of hartal pounded with cow urine. In Switra, a decoction is prepared with amlaki and khadir tar is added with Bakuchi churn and is given. In the treatment of Kusht Switra, Bakuchi is put in the decoction of Vivitiki Twak overnight. and then pounded and taken with tilak. The paste of Bapuchi Patra is applied on Vran for Raktastambhan action. Bapuchi bee's tail is applied externally on Spitra to bring back the normal color. Matra bee churn 3 to 6 gram and 4 krimi 4 to 6 gram. औषधि योग फॉर्मुलेशन स्वित्रग्नि बटी या स्वित्रग्नि बटी बापूची तेल सोमराजी तेल अवल गुलाजी लेप these are the formulations of bapuchi for skin disease and other diseases. Chemical compositions essential oil fixed oil sorelin isosorelin and bapuchi oil. And Bhavaprakash Ingantu says Aval Gujo Bapuchi Shat Somraji Soparnika Shashilekha Krishnapala Soma Puti Falini च सोमवल्ली कालमेशी कुष्ठग्नि च प्रतीपिता बाकुचिरी मधुरा तिक्ता कटोपका रसायनी विष्टम्भ हृदिमा रुच्य सरा श्लेष्म अत्रपितनोत वृक्षा हृदया श्वास पुष्ट ज्वर प्रमिगणोत तत्फलम पित्तलम पुष्ट कफ अनिलहरम कटु केशम त्वचे कृमि श्वास का शोथ आम पांडुनोत. These are the classical references and description about Bhakti for Bapuchi. Then we should discuss about Kachnar. Kachnar is Bonia variegata and family name is Lumezi. So both name you should learn. Kulchimbikul Chak mentioned Kachnar in Vamnopad Mahakashaya and Shushut mentioned Udravadhar and Kashaya Varga. Hindi name Kachnar and let's see the synonyms and its meaning about Kachnar. Kachnara, golden yellow colored flowers, so it is called Kachnara. Kanchanak, golden yellow colored petals. Gandir, the effective drug for Gandwala. Asphotak, fruits open at maturity, so it is called Asphotak. Kundal protects from disease. Swalp stamens are not prominent as the stamens are light kesar vrana. So it is called Swalp Chamri growing in cluster resemble chowri. Chamri leaves are similar to the skin of deer. And Yukpatrak, the leaves look like two leaves are united. So it is called Yukpatrak Kovidar, which breaks the ground and comes out. So it is called Kovidar. Yukpatrak, the leaves are bifid and cleft in nature. Main features Kachnar is a medium-sized tree. The leaves are similar to the skin of deer and bifid or cleft in nature. Flowers are golden yellow in color. Fruits offer at puberty. The main action is that it is very effective in the treatment of Gandmala and also useful in other diseases. Bhed varieties. Shaligram Nightu Kovidar is identified as a Bonia variegata. And Mahaprakash Nightu has mentioned two varieties, Kashnar and Kovidar. It states both have similar properties. Raj Nightu and Dhanvantri Nightu has mentioned Kovidar and Kashnar as synonyms. Raj Nightu has synonyms like Peet Pushpa, Girija, Mahapushpa. Nightu Ratnakar has mentioned three varieties according to the color of the flower, Peet, Rakt and Sweet. Peet, Rakt and Sweet, and describe the property of each separately. Thus, Shivdutt Nightu also refers to the same three varieties. The modern scholars have identified many varieties. Many scholars accept Bohnia variegata as Kachnar or Kovidar Bohnia purpura. It's taken because in some places in local language it is known as Koilara. This may be taken for Kovidar. The flowers of Kachnar and Kovidar have different colors, but on the basis of these two cannot be differentiated. Both have same property. Bhavaprakash has mentioned Ashmantak in the synonyms of Kovidar. In Raj Nigantu and Dharmani Nigantu, these two Nigantu have been discussed separately. Habitat Utpatti Sthan, outer range of Himalaya up to 4,000 feet and throughout India. Flowers in February and April before a new foliage appears. Habit Swarup, a medium-sized tree with ash color or brownish bark. Young parts, pubescent leaves rather broader and then long, 4 to 6 inches across, usually deeply folded. The obtuse lobes reaching 1 by 4 or 1 by 3 of the way down, rigidly subcoriaceous 9 to 11 nerves. Flowers few large, fragrant, arranged in lateral corymphs, pedicles short or zero, brackets minute, detoid, calyx tube 3 by 4 to 1 inches long, limb spacious, not split, 5-toothed, hairy outside, petals about 2 inches long, usually 4 of them white and upper one red winged, with purple or all of them reddish, with the upper end more deeply colored and variegated with cream and purple. Fertile stamens usually 5, ovary long style long, stigma minute. Pod 6 to 12 inches long and 1 by 2 to 3 by 4 inches wide. Hard, flat, glabrous, rather decurved, descent seed 10 to 15. Upayukt and part use twak and pushpa. Twag and pushpa. Description of the part. Twag dark brown, sometimes with silvery patches, rough, compact, exfoliating woody strips and scales. Outer surface with small transverse and longitudinal cracks. Internal surface white and detached, mildly astringent, fracture short outside and fibrous within. Order, paint and characteristics. Then talk about properties. That first is Ras, Kashai, Viryashi, Gun, Laghu, Ruksh and Vipasis Tatu. Those termta Kapit, Shamak, Ogamta, pharmacological actions of Kachnar, Gandamala Nashak and Malvardhak and Trimigna and uh, Kostagna, Vranropan, Rakshithar and Anuloman. Amyak Prayo, therapeutic uses is fresh cashew work mixed with sunthi and pounded with sorghum and given in the treatment of Gandamala. In Gandamala and Galgand, decoction of kachnar and tripla added with khitli powder is beneficial. Kachnar with tripla ghat is also useful. The pathya should be used in jaw and mudak. In Van, the bar powder is given with madhu. Matra decoction 50 to 100 ml and Pushpa Swaras 10 to 20 ml, Plug Chun 3 to 5 grams. Kaushadhi formulations. First is Kachnar Google, Kachnar Adhikwa, and Kachnar Adhikutiya. These are the formulations. Chemical compositions, tannins and resins from the bark. Substitute and adulterants. Stem bark of Bahonia purpurea refer to the source of Povidar or Kachnar Bahida in some Ayurvedic inventu is used as substitute, especially in Bengal and other eastern part of India. Stem bark of some other species of Bohonia, especially uh, Bohonia malaberica roxburghi and Bohonia resinosa lamb are sometimes erosionally collected and marketed as genuine drugs. So Bhaprakash Nigantu says that Kachnar, Kanchan को गंडारी शोण पुष्प कह कोविदारस मरी कह कुद्दालो युगपत्र कह कुंडली ताप्र पुष्पश्चास्वंत कह स्वल्प केशरी कांचनारो हिमोग्राही तोर श्लेष्म पुत्रनुत कृमि पुष्ट गुद्धभ्रंश गंडमाला वृणापह कोविदारोऽसपि तद्वत्स्यात्तयो पुष्पं लघु स्मृतं वृक्षं संग्राही पित्तास्त्रप्रदर्शयकाश्नुत. That is says Bhavaprakash. This was the classical reference for Kachana. So this session is powered by Digital 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth University, Jaipur, Rajasthan.